and it's supposed to unravel. Okay, it's supposed to be able to just slide it out. If you cannot get your hair to slide out, your stylist did something wrong, and that is a problem that needs to be fixed. Hey everybody, it's your girl Dej back on another video, and in today's video we are going to be taking out these faux locks, butterfly locks, whatever y'all want to call them. We all know I live in the islands and the roosters are always gonna make noise. Butterfly locks too. Oops. We are going to be taking out these butterfly locks today. So the things that you will definitely be needing are scissors, cut. Hey baby, it's the girl Dej. What kind of video? And in today's video, we are going to be taking down these butterfly locks. A trash bag, a plastic bag, whatever you need, so you can put the hair in, and a rat silicone. These are your only supplies. Now, you could be extra and you could spray your hair with water and conditioner to moisten your hair before you take down the locks, but that's just a whole extra stuff for no reason. But to each their own. This is my tutorial, my way, and I'm showing you guys how I take down my butterfly locks. Okay, let's get started. Hit the like button, comment below, comment a heart or something for your girl. Yeah, you're going to cut, and it's supposed to unravel. Okay, it's supposed to be able to just slide it out. If you cannot get your hair to slide out, your stylist did something wrong, and that is a problem. And on your post notifications, so you're notified every time I post a new video. And without further ado, I just had my hair tied. I don't know why I do with it. Oh, here it is. Got your scrunchie, a hair tie, hairband, whatever you need to hold up your hair. I'm gonna start with the back, so I'm just going to flip my hair up. I'm going to take this, put it over my head, and I'm going to tie up the locks like so, like that. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this one in the back. And over a month since I've had these in, the growth is ridiculous. I don't know if you guys could see, but I have build up right there. Grab your scissors. What you're gonna do is cut closest, probably like, what I use, 3 inches, 2 to 3 inches. Make sure you know where your natural hair stops. My hair ain't that long yet, so I could cut at least 3 inches off. You're going to cut, and it's supposed to unravel. Okay, supposed to be able to just slide it out, because it's just supposed to slide right off. You see that? No hassle, no issues, nothing. You cut it on unravel, just like that. Put that in your trash bag. You find the other piece of extension hair and you slide it right out. Okay, you see that? My natural hair is not damaged. It is not harmed in the process of taking out these locks. Okay? So basically, that is how you correctly take out your butterfly locks or any type of faux locks. This is how it's supposed to be done.
Big mad. Big mad.
If you are having a hard time taking down your locks, your stylist did something incorrectly. Okay? It's literally just supposed to slide right out. No hassle, no issues, nothing. Like, just like that. Once you unravel, you go ahead and you find that last strand that's in the lock and you pull it through. Just like that. See that? Easy as pie. You continue doing that for your whole head. So watch me.
Is that weird?
I don't even know anymore.
Didn't think it'd be a good idea. What's going on?
Bruce in the hospital. You didn't tell me what the hell's going on between you guys.
The story is tilting red, and reaching across the aisle is the only way to get anything done. Your work on Ban the Box, advocating for police reform. I know ambition when I see it. What do you have your sights set on? A congressional seat? Governorship?
Guys, I am completely done with my hair. As you guys could see, I have a lot of build up for 1 month. Like, that's crazy. Look at this. Like, my hair was starting to lock. Oh my. Anyways, y'all can see all of that new growth. I grew at least a half an inch to an inch in some areas,
Don't tell me it's
which is really good. Yeah, so this is how it looks. And turn to the back so you guys can see. Now my hair needs to wash. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you learned something new. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that like button down below, turn your post notification, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.